Good morning everyone. So as we already discussed about the growing plant lesson, in that lesson we already discussed the reproduction in plants through the seeds and reproduction in the plants through the body parts, just like as the leaves, stems and the roots. So today our point of discussion is the reproduction through the seed dispersals. Okay, the ways of the dispersal. So first I am going to explain about what is meant by the seed dispersal. So whenever the seeds are moving from their own parent plant to another place, when the seeds are moving from their own parent plant to another places, and when they are getting the appropriate condition, just like as a water, air and the moisture, so that time that seeds can be germinate, and this process is known as the seed dispersal. Seed dispersal it means that whenever the seeds are moving from their own place to another place, from their own parent plant to another place, so that process is known as the seed dispersal. And so here some ways are there, so through which the seed can be dispersed. So the first is by wind. So some seeds, just like the seeds that are light in weight, by the wind which carries them away from the parent plant. Some seeds are light in weight, and due to that reason they can carry with the air. Some seeds are light in weight, for that reason that seeds can move from their parent plant to another place. So the seeds, just like as a cotton, then drumsticks, these seeds they are not having a heavy weight, they are lighter and they can carry with the air. So this is one way of seed dispersal. Now next one is by water. So by water it means the seeds of plant that grows in or near water. The water bodies are dispersed by water. Some seeds or some seed plants can grow in water, and some seed plants are nearer to the water bodies. Due to that reason, that seeds can carry with the water. Some seeds is having hollow shape, because of that only that seeds can float onto the water. That seeds can float onto the water, just like as the fruits of lotus plant, they are having a hollow shape, because of that only they can float onto the water, and they can carry from one place to the another place through the water. This is another way of seed dispersal. Now the next point, that is by animals. So human beings and animals eat fruits. Human beings and animals eat fruits and throw anywhere. The seeds reach the ground. Human beings and animals, they started to eat the fruits, and through the etc. also they releases the seeds, and where the seeds are present, so that time if they are getting the proper conditions like air, water and moisture, so that seed started to germinate, and we will get the new plant from that seed. So the plant and animal is also one way to disperse the seeds. So by animals it means that the human beings and the animals eat fruits, and they started to throw the fruits anywhere, so that seeds if they are getting the good conditions, so that seeds started to germinate, and after germination we will get the new plant. Next part is by expulsion. And here last point, by the explosion. So some plants disperse their seeds by exploding on ripening. After the ripening, the seeds started to expose, and due to that reason also some seeds started to transfer from their mother plant to anywhere, their parent plant to anywhere, and this is also the way of seed dispersal. So in today's period we already discussed about the seed dispersal. Seed dispersal means that whenever the seeds are transferring from their own parent plant to another places, and here some ways through which the seed can be transferred. The first way, that is by wind, the second one is by water, then by animals, and by explosion. So these are the ways. So if the seed is lighter than the air, so that time it can be transferred through the wind. If the seed is having hollow shape, so they can be transferred through the water. If animal and human beings started to eat the fruits, so they are going to throw the seeds anywhere. So this is also the one way of seed dispersal. And last one is by explosion. So explosion is one of the way through which also after the ripening of the fruit, they started to burst, and we will get the more and more seeds, and that seed can be transferred through the wind, through the water, through the animals. So these all are the ways related with the seed dispersal. So students, for today this much part is there. So prepare your own notes and send me on my personal mobile number. So for today, thank you very much.